pranking my boyfriend by slamming his car door.
Just grab my shoes. The
Shoes?
the mismatching ones.
Alright.
Bang! Bang!
You want some water too? It's pretty hot out today.
Yeah, I want water, but you slamming the door a little too hard.
Oh, my fault. Sorry.
Okay.
And you said you wanted to change your shirt, remember?
Watch how you slamming your mama head, all right?
What shirt you want me to grab?
Just grab my tank top so that you hooping, all right?
Okay.
Okay. Love you, okay?
Love
But
you.
just chill. Stop! Stop!
What's wrong with you?
Stop it!
What are you talking
Stop!
about? Okay. I forget which sweatshirt. Which one?
The blue one with the Volcom sign?
Okay.
Thanks. Dude.
Did you change your mind?
Yeah, the red one.
Oh.
Hey!
Hey babe, I'm going into the gas station. Did you want something to eat or drink?
I can probably use another Red Bull.
Red Bull? Okay.
God damn. Jesus fuck.
What flavor Red Bull did you want?
Just a regular Red Bull.
regular Red Bull?
Just regular Red Bull. Jesus fucking Christ. Why do you keep slamming the door?
What are you talking about?
I just want a Red Bull. Why do you keep slamming the door?
I'm not. Are you sure you don't want something to eat?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
I'm good. Babe, stop slamming the fucking door.
I'm not. It's fine.
You are.
No, I'm not.
Stop slamming.
Slamming door prank on my boyfriend.
The blue one. What the fuck was that?
Wait, you sure you don't want Powerade?
Just give me the Gatorade. What the fuck is she doing? What are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? Slamming the fucking... What the fuck are you doing? You're fucking slamming the whole fucking thing.
Oh, I actually have to run and get my purse real quick.
Give me a water.
What you want? What you want?
Don't slam the door like that again.
What you want?
My water. Don't slam the
Hey.
door like that.
Oh wait, I need to get something.
Hey. Don't slam
Babe, don't pull my hair.
Don't slam the door. I'll pull all them extensions out. Don't be slamming my door. Now go. Get my water.
Babe.
Don't slam real nigga door, man. Fuck this shit. Come here.
What drink did you say you want?
Coke, please.
Coke.
Why are you slamming the door? You're slamming the door.
Oh.
You slammed the door.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
This girl.
Slamming the car door prank on him.
Oh shit, wait a minute. I gotta go get my keys. Hold on.
Grab him.
Alright.
Grab him, babe.
Yeah.
Yo, have you lost your fucking mind?
Huh? What's wrong? I forgot my keys.
Yeah, and you just slammed the door like we're in a fucking 94. Like
Oh shit, wait a minute, babe. Let me get my hold on a second. I need my protein bar too.
Babe, slam the door again like this is a fucking 84 Corolla and I'm gonna fucking kill you.
Alright, I'm ready to go. Oh, what?
Babe, slam that fucking door. I'm leaving you here.
What? I didn't slam the door. It's a TikTok. Babe.
Fucking dickhead.
Slamming the door prank Antoine.
Zozo!
What?
Come back here!
What? Where?
Why you slamming the door like that?
My bad.
That was too hard, bro.
My bad. What's my house?
Water.
Alright,
And bring me some. Ah! Come here.
What?
It's the last time doing that.
Doing what?
Slamming my door.
My bad, bro. I apologize, bro.
Go.
Alright, bro.
Go get my stuff.
Slamming my GF car door prank.
Underneath the sink in the
Are you sure?
bathroom. Why did you shut the door like
Did I
that?
do that?
What? You completely slammed
sorry.
the door. This is not the day to mess with me. Why
What are you talking
slamming
about?
the door like that?
Babe, you told me to go get
Baby,
the
we're in
tampons.
a hurry. Go get the tampons.
Okay.
And do not slam the... Why are you slamming the door?
I'm literally not. I don't
Yes, you are!
Okay, I'll slam
Want any snacks?
Get me a packet of Space Raiders
Right,
and then 35p energy drinks. I've been craving those.
right, okay.
Oh, hell no! Get your ass back in here. Why are you slamming the door like that for?
Like what?
Like
I'm
that?
just leaving.
Why are you
So
slamming
what
the
was
door?
it again? It was,
A packet of Space Raiders
right,
and a 35p energy drink.
right, okay.
Oh, hell no, nigga! Hey! What do you think you're doing?
I'm not doing anything. I think you're going a bit crazy.
Okay, you're walking home today. See you later, rat. Smelly. You stink.
Baby, what you want out the store?
High fries.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boy, slam my motherfucking Gary. Gary, slam my motherfucking door again.
That's how you want it.
Baby, slam my fucking door again. I swear to God, I'm
That's
gonna
how
beat
you
your
want it,
ass.
baby?
Yes, slam my motherfucking door again.
What you talking about?
Don't slam my fucking. Alright. Oh, my mama, I got something in it.
I keep slamming the door in my wife's
think I
face
forgot
to
my
see
wallet
her
in the car.
reaction.
Where?
Or is it in the house?
I don't know. Where? You always forget your wallet. I don't know. What the fuck is wrong with him? God damn.
I think it's in
Babe,
here.
seriously, you need to be more organized. I tell you every time,
Can you
love.
just check for me, please?
I don't see it.
Hold on one second. Let me check in the back.
He's gonna break the fucking door off the hinges. What the hell is wrong with this guy?
It's in my pocket.
Oh my god. Dude. Honestly. There you go.
Sorry.
It's okay.